Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 30th November 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. What is the mascot of the first Asthalakshmi Mahotsav? Answer is Purvi. As part of the central government's vision to make the northeastern region the development engine of the country, the Government of India has decided to hold an Asthalakshmi Mahotsav in New Delhi from 6 to 8 December 2024. The Mahotsav will focus on the 8 northeastern states of India. The mascot for the 2024 Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav is Purvi, a young girl who represents the 8 states of Northeast India. Question number 2. A 3-day postal exhibition, BIPEX 2024, recently started in which city? Answer is Patna. In Bihar, a 3-day national postal exhibition, BIPEX 2024, started on 28 November at Gyan Bhavan in Patna. Bihar Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlikar inaugurated the exhibition, which is based on the rich history of postal culture of Bihar. More than 150 postal stamp collectors and philatelists are taking part in the program with more than 20,000 stamps on a variety of subjects. Question number 2. A 3-day postal exhibition, BIPEX 2024, recently started in which city? Answer is Ghanvenothan Ratnam. Classical musician Ghanvenothan Ratnam has been honored with Singapore's highest arts accolade, the Cultural Medallion, for his contribution to Indian music. Ratnam, who is the first Indian classical musician to receive the Cultural Medallion, has advocated for Indian classical music for over 40 years. Question number 2. A 3-day postal exhibition, BIPEX 2024, recently started in which city? Answer is Bhubaneswar. The Union Minister for Home Affairs, Amit Shah, inaugurated the 59th All India Conference of Director Generals, DGP, Inspector General of Police, in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, on 29 November 2024. The 3-day conference has been organized in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, from 29 November to 1 December 2024. For the first time, the state of Odisha is hosting the All India Conference of Director Generals Inspector Generals of Police. Question number 5. Which country signed with India to co-develop the electric propulsion system for Indian Navy? Answer is United Kingdom. On 28 November 2024, India and the United Kingdom have signed a framework agreement for co-designing, co-creating and co-production of electric propulsion systems, engines, for the next generation of Indian naval ships. The development of electric propulsion systems for the Indian Navy will be done through a collaboration between the United Kingdom's GE Power Conversion and Indian government-owned Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL. Question number 6. Australia recently passed a law to ban the use of social media for children below which year? Answer is 16 years. The Australian Parliament has passed a law banning children under 16 years from using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Australia is the first country in the world to impose a blanket ban on the use of social media by children under 16 years of age. In France, parental consent is mandatory for minors below 15 years. In Germany, minors between 13 and 16 years old are allowed to use social media only with their parents' consent. Question number 6. Australia recently passed a law to ban the use of social media for children below which year? Answer is Upendra Dwivedi. The Indian Army has launched an online learning platform named Eklavya. The Chief of Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, inaugurated the online platform Eklavya at a function in New Delhi. The Eklavya platform was developed by the Bhaskaracharya National Institute of Space Applications and Geoinformatics, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, for the Indian Army. Question number 8. Red Planet Day is observed every year on. Answer is 28th November. Red Planet Day, observed annually on 28th November, celebrates humanity's enduring fascination with Mars, the red planet. Red Planet Day traces its roots to 28 November 1964, when NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft was launched on its historic journey to Mars. This mission marked humanity's first detailed encounter with the red planet, reaching Mars in July 1965 and transmitting the first close-up images of its surface. Question number 9. Who has been recently nominated by Donald Trump as Special Envoy to Russia and Ukraine? Answer is Keith Kellogg. President-elect Donald Trump has nominated Keith Kellogg, a former national security advisor and retired lieutenant general in the U.S. military, to be Special Envoy to Ukraine and Russia in his second administration. Kellogg is likely to be at the center of negotiations to end the ongoing war in Ukraine, should Russia and Ukraine agree to take part. Question number 10. Ministry of Panchayati Raj has won which medal for excellence at the 43rd India International Trade Fair, IITF 2024? Answer is bronze. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj has been awarded the Bronze Medal under Empowering India category for excellence in display at the 43rd India International Trade Fair, IITF 2024, held at Bharat Mandapam, Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, from 14th to 27th November 2024. Question number 11. Ministry of Mines has won which medal for excellence at the 43rd India International Trade Fair, IITF 2024? Answer is gold. The Ministry of Mines Pavilion won the Gold Award at India International Trade Fair, IITF 2024, held at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Competing against 49 ministries, its pavilion attracted over 80,000 visitors by showcasing innovation, heritage, and sustainability. Question number 12. IPS Deepam Setter has been appointed as the Director General of Police, DGP, of. Answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government appointed 1995 batch IPS officer Deepam Setter as the new Director General of Police, DGP, on 25 November 2024. Setter, who is currently serving as the Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal, has held several important positions in both undivided Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Setter replaces Abhinav Kumar, a 1996 batch IPS officer, who had been holding the additional charge of DGP. Question number 13. How many school students have participated in the Project Veer Gatha 4.0? Answer is 1.76 crore. More than 1.76 crore school students from all 1936 states and union territories participated enthusiastically in Project Veer Gatha 4.0. Each winner will be awarded a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Also, there will be 4 winners each at the district level and 8 winners each at the state or UT level, and all such winners will be felicitated by the respective district and state or union territory. Question number 13. How many school students have participated in the Project Veer Gatha 4.0? Answer is Telangana. The Telangana government has taken a significant step towards promoting eco-friendly transportation by offering a 100% exemption on road tax and registration fees for electric vehicles, EVs. This policy aims to reduce pollution, particularly in urban areas like Hyderabad, and encourage sustainable transportation. The exemption applies to various EV categories, including two-wheelers, four-wheelers, three-wheelers, and electric buses. Question number 15. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi receive the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Global Peace Award for Minority Upliftment? Answer is Washington. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the prestigious Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Global Peace Award for Minority Upliftment in Washington, USA. The award recognized his efforts in promoting inclusive development and welfare for minority communities. This recognition was presented during the launch event of the Association of Indian American Minorities, AIAM. Question number 16. Masato Kanda has been elected as the 11th president of which bank? Answer is ADB. Masato Kanda has been elected as the 11th president of Asian Development Bank, ADB. Kanda, 59-year-old, currently serves as special advisor to Japan's Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. He will assume office on 24 February 2025, succeeding Masatsugu Asukawa, who will leave office on 23 February next year. Kanda will complete the unexpired term of Asukawa, which ends on 23 November 2026. Question number 17. Who has recently been awarded the ICA's Rochdale Pioneers Award? Answer is U.S. Avasthi. U.S. Avasthi, Managing Director and Chief Executive Office of Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative, IFFCO, Cooperative bestowed with 2024 Rochdale Pioneers Award, conferred by International Cooperative Alliance, ICA. Avasthi is the second Indian citizen to receive the award, after the father of White Revolution, Varghese Kurian. The ICA established the Rochdale Pioneers Award in 2000. Question number 18. Who became the youngest player to be sold in the IPL auction history? Answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Vaibhav Suryavanshi of Bihar, at the age of 13 years and 243 days, became the youngest player to be bought in the IPL 2025 mega auction. He was bought by the Rajasthan Royals for 1.1 crore rupees. Before Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the record was held by Prayas Ray Burman, who was bought by Royal Challengers Bangalore for 1.5 crore rupees in 2019. He was then 16 years and 54 days old. Question number 19. As per the recently released report, which state remained on top in milk production? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. India's milk output jumped by 3.78% to 239.30 million tons during 2023-24, as the world's largest producer, according to the government's Basic Animal Husbandry Statistics 2024, released on 26 November 2024. The top 5 milk-producing states during 2023-24 were Uttar Pradesh, with a share of 16.21% of total milk production, followed by Rajasthan, with 14.51%, Madhya Pradesh, with 8.91%, Gujarat, with 7.65%, and Maharashtra, with 6.71%. Question number 20. The bilateral exercise, Agni Warrior 2024, started between India and which country? Answer is Singapore. The bilateral military exercise, Agni Warrior 2024, between India and Singapore, conducted at Devlali Field Firing Ranges in Maharashtra, from November 28 to 30th. The primary objective of the 3-day exercise is to enhance professional military interactions between the artillery units of both sides by sharing best practices. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700 to 00378.